Welcome to M&Z Tech Fit. So today we're doing a lens check. So stick around and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to us so that you don't miss out on any of the hair growth videos we have here on this channel. M&Z Tech Fit. Hey! Okay, so guys, this is my 2 weeks check. It's my 2 weeks for using fenugreek on my hair for 2 weeks every day, like literally from Sunday to Saturday, 7 days for 2 weeks. So you guys know that my hair is already a good length, but you did see when I cut it off. So this is where it is now. So I'm gonna let you hold me accountable. Now we'll see if it grows any further within the other 2 weeks, because it's 30 days, yeah? And this is the front. I did cut more off the front, and the front is, let's do this right here, okay? So that's fine as well. And the back obviously is gonna show that it's longer. So that's the back, it's here, okay? That's the back, and then the front. So it's there. Cool. So that's my 2 weeks check. And if you want to see, this is where I am totally amazed. This bit. Trust me, yeah, ignore the grays. But can you see my hair line is grown back? And that's the major thing I wanted to do. My hairline is grown back. So now that we've gotten past the whole lens check thing, as you can see, it's shrinking up already. I love it anyways because our hair is so just absolutely magical. I have made another product for you. I have made fenugreek and clove water spray. So that's the spray I will be using this week. Last week I used the water, yes, and I alternate between the water and the oil. I have less oil because I did make less oil and it's getting a bit foggy, but that's fine. I'm gonna be making some more this week. So this week it's gonna be fenugreek and clove water. So stick around if you want to see it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of the awesome hair growth videos we have on this channel.